So here we go. Welcome to Smarter Things. Today we're going to see how we can work around the requirements that prevent upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on older computers, like the lack of modern TPM or insufficient memory. So let's get started. You just need to create a new file and name it something like setup. So I'm creating a text file right now. Setup. Inside, I just have to Okay, I'm opening it. My drive with Windows 11 installation is E. So E 2 setup slash product server. It's the easiest way to work around. So you save it, you save the file. You have to change the extension. Right now it's a text file. So I recommend to open wide window and put the display setups settings so you can check the hide or display the extension. Right now I've got the extension. I just have to rename it with BAT batch file. Yes, confirm. And I just have to launch this file with administrator rights and privilege. So just wait a little bit. You're good to go. Just wait a moment and it should bypass all the checks, allowing you to install Windows 11 on older PC. So I'm just checking that to win a little bit of time. Next. And all the checks are bypassed. Right now, checking my PC. And it's okay. Just have to accept the CGU. And if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Bye.